Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to reset app preferences on any Itel phone. Let's begin. All we need to do is scroll down to Settings, scroll all the way down, go to System, then at the very bottom we hit Reset Phone, and here the second options is called Reset App Preferences. All we need to do is press it, and then we hit Reset Apps. And as you can see, app preferences have been reset. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, please remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.